Hi everybody, my name is Elena Scherer and today I want to tell you about my trip to the Disneyland. When my family and I came to America, we have a dream to go to Disneyland someday. Last year, our dream came true. When the first semester at school ended, we realized it was right time to go to Disneyland. We carefully planned everything in advance. I opened the computer, searched the internet, and I learned a lot about Disneyland. I reserved a room in the hotel and purchased the passes for a Disneyland. We decided to drive there by car. We started our trip early in the morning and we arrived at Anaheim in the afternoon. We stopped for gas and for lunch on the way. On the next day, we used the bus to get to the Disneyland. When we entered the park and walked through Main Street to the Sleeping Beauty Castle, we were so much impressed with everything we observed there. All the park was still decorated for Christmas and looked so beautiful. My little son especially liked Mickey's Town. We tried to see other attractions too. I admired the Fantasian show on the water and Christmas parade. We participated in many rides and adventures and played games. We played many performances. Sorry.
No, I just want to make sure we can see this. Go ahead.
We watched different performances. Every day we enjoyed watching fireworks on the way home. The 3 days passed quickly and we were so happy that we discovered Disneyland. And
Thank you very much. That was great.
this is picture with my son in the inside in Mickey's home. This is picture in Sleeping Beauty Castle.
The castle.
Castle.
Beauty Castle.
Yeah. This is picture in Christmas parade.
Christmas parade. Oh.
Yeah. And this is picture for map.
A picture
Disneyland
of
map.
A picture of something. A picture of the map of
Yeah,
Disneyland.
picture
Okay.
of map.
Mm-hmm.
This is we enjoyed with my son.
Yeah. How
Little
old is
bit
your
relaxed.
son?
Now 7. Here 6. It's last
6.
year.
Okay, good. And you have the Minnie Mouse hat.
Yes.
Did he have did you buy him a Mickey Mouse? Did you purchase one for him?
Yes.